Now in the continuous series, this is the method of finding out mode. You know, continuous series have the class interval along with the frequencies, right? Now in the continuous series, the steps are here: find out modal group either by observation or by grouping method, right? You can find out mode either by observing or by inspection, or you can do the grouping method, what I told you in case of discrete series. Now apply the formula. This is the formula for finding out mode. Now here in this formula, Z is for mode, L1 is lower limit of modal class, F1 is frequency of modal group, F0 is preceding frequency of modal group, F2 succeeding frequency of modal group, I is the class interval. Now this is clear here with the example: marks and number of students. Marks are 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. This is unequal class interval. Marks are given like this. Number of students in each category, in each class, this is the frequency or number of students. Now how to find out the mode over here? Here modal class you will find out by observing. How will you observe it? Which is the highest frequency over here? Now this is the frequency I have converted in the equal class interval. You can see here, this was unequal, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. This was 5 and class interval was 5. Here it is 10, here it is 20, 20 and 20, and then again 10 and 10. Now if we are converting them into equal class interval, we will take it like this: 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Now 0 to 20, this is 0 to 20 group, and this plus this will be the frequency of this modal, this class interval. 0 to 20, 5 plus 7 plus 9. So 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 21 in this class interval. Then 20 to 40, you need not add up anything because this is the class interval of 20 only. So write down 25. Then again 40 to 60, write down 30. 60 to 80, write down 24. Now 80 to 100, this is 80 to 100. So add up 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. This way you make the frequency with equal class interval. Now observe here which is the modal group or modal class. How will you get it? See which is the highest frequency over here. Obviously highest frequency is 30, right? Now this 30 you will label as F1. So F1 frequency of modal group, highest frequency, and this will be the modal class, right? This will be F1, and in front of this is the modal class. And then the preceding frequency, this is F0, and the next one will be F2. So locate F1 first, that is highest frequency, preceding to this is F0, succeeding to this is F2. So see here, F1 is frequency of modal group, this is the highest frequency. You can write down here, this is highest frequency, right? Frequency of modal group, this is F1. F0 is preceding frequency of modal group, this is F0 preceding one, and F2 is succeeding frequency, that is next to it, right? I is the class interval, that is 20, right? So after getting this by observation, you apply the formula here. This is the formula for finding out mode. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Learn the formula properly, then put the values what you have located over here. L1 is lower class limit of the modal class. This is the modal class, lower class limit is 40, so you will write down L1 as 40, plus F1 is 30, F0 is 25, 2F1 is 2 into 30 minus F0 is 25, F2 is 24, and class interval is of this class interval is 20. So, put the values over here and then do the calculation and you will get the mode, right. So, this is a simple one. You have to find out which is the highest frequency, name it F1, preceding one is F0, next one is F2, right, and where is the highest frequency, this will be the modal class, and when you locate all these three things F1, F0 and F2 and this one, put the values, do the calculation, get the answer, right. This is simple way of calculating mode in case of continuous series. This is observation method, and besides this, if you want to do in a different way, then you have to do the grouping first and then apply the formula, right. Now, I will tell you, if you get different type of series, how will you calculate mode? In the inclusive series, first convert inclusive series into exclusive series and then apply the same method, right. In the mid value series, what you have to do? Make class interval of the mid value. When you make the class interval, that means suppose mid value is 5, the class interval will be 0 to 10. If the next mid value is 15, class interval will be 10 to 20. So, this way make class intervals, less than and more than series, in this convert simple frequency into cumulative frequency. These are the three type of series, main what you get in the question to solve the mode. Now, remember that in particular series, this is the way you can convert the series and then you apply the formula and do the simple calculation as I told you here.